Hi, my name is Dave Andrews. Today I'm going to show you how to use an input mask to control how data is input into Microsoft Access fields. Let's open up Microsoft Access by going to Start, All Programs, Microsoft Office, and choosing Office Access. Let's open up a database by clicking on the Office button and selecting Open. I'm just going to open up my database 1 here. Now I have a single table in this database. Let's go to the design view on that table. And we're going to create a text field called telephone number. Telephone number, and we're going to give it a data type of text. To create your input mask, down here in the field properties area, click on the input mask area and click these 3 little dots. If it asks you if you have to save your table first, just click yes. Now, we're going to create a phone number input mask by just selecting the phone number pre-made mask that's already here. Select Next, Next, and we want to use the symbols in the mask and just say Finish. Now let's save our table and open it up for editing. Simply double click on the table. Now as you can see, when we type in our telephone numbers, it's going to require that they be entered like a normal telephone number would appear using that input mask. My name is Dave Andrews, and I've just showed you how to control how data is entered into a Microsoft Access field using an input mask.